AR.60s, which is the same turbos that you would see in what your XR6 turbos and that, wouldn't you?
Yeah, so they're nice little Garrett, so it's a quality turbo. It's an awesome installation. Along with all that, he's done a nice ignition upgrade and a big fuel system.
The blow-off valve sounds on both sides. Big intercooler on the front, all the exhaust has been redone, some suspension upgrades, some brake upgrades. This thing's actually a really good little car.
Yeah, and the amazing thing about the car is it's really low mileage. It's showing like just over 40,000 k's on the clock, and that's, we believe, giving you the genuine mileage.
This is a 2002 VU.
Yes.
Like normally these things would be well into the six figures. Now it got brought into Superformance because it was running like a pig, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's running like a pig, and he wanted to get it roadworthy, make sure it's fit for use for sale, and now he's going to put it on the market.
So this car is for sale, so if you are interested, send us a message and we can put you in contact with the owner. It's currently up for, what, 35 grand, isn't it?
Yeah, he's got a realistic figure on it.
And you couldn't even, like, you can barely pay a shop to put a twin turbo setup on one of these motors, have it running and have everything, all the upgrades that this thing has had spent on it already for that sort of money.
Yeah.
Apart from seeing that front intercooler, you wouldn't really realise that this thing is actually as quick as it is.
It's a real sleeper, so.
It really is. That was in fourth and it started spinning then.
Yeah.
That was fourth gear and this thing started spinning. This thing is quick. I can't believe how this thing sounds. It sounds so good. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed today's episode. Make sure you call us if you are interested in this car, and if you need any work done on your car, give us a call or check out the website. See you next time.
Thanks, Chris.